Here's a question that trips up many CSS beginners. How do you select all paragraph elements inside a div? The answer is simpler than you think, but there's a critical difference you need to understand. The correct answer is the Descendant Selector. You write div space p. That's it. The space between div and p is the Descendant Selector, and it's one of the most fundamental selectors in CSS. This simple syntax tells the browser to select all paragraph elements that are descendants of any div element. Here's what makes the Descendant Selector powerful. It doesn't just select direct children. It selects all descendants at any level of nesting. So if you have a paragraph inside a section, inside a div, the Descendant Selector will still find it. The paragraph can be 2, 3, or 10 levels deep, and the selector will still match it. This is the key difference from other selectors. Now let's compare this to the child combinator, which uses a greater than symbol. Div greater than p only selects paragraphs that are direct children of a div. If there's any element in between, like a section or an article, the child combinator won't match. The Descendant Selector with a space matches at any depth. The child combinator with greater than only matches immediate children. This distinction is crucial when styling complex HTML structures. Let's see this in action. In this example, we have a div containing multiple nested structures. The Descendant Selector div p will style all 3 paragraphs, even the deeply nested one inside the article. This makes it perfect for applying consistent styles across complex layouts without worrying about the exact nesting level. Remember, use the Descendant Selector with a space to target elements at any nesting level. Master this fundamental selector and you'll write cleaner, more maintainable CSS. Practice this in your next project. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.